Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can embed a JotForm on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now I'm going to open a new tab and then search for JotForm and then click on the first link. So right now we need to sign up to this website. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. Agree and continue. So right now we're going to create a form first of all. So I'm going to click on create form, use a template. And then for example, I'm going to use this template. So, or I'm just going to create one from scratch, create a form, start from scratch. And then you can either choose classic or card form. So I'm just going to create one very quickly to show you guys how you can do that. Click on save. And then I'm going to publish it really quick. Here we're going to find quick share, embed, assign form, email, and so on. So we're going to go to embed. And then you can just simply copy the code right here. And then once you do that, just go back to Wix. Go to the site where you want to add it. For example, I'm going to add it to this one. I'm going to click on select site and then click on design site. After that, I'm going to pick up a template really quick, choosing this one. And then this will take us to the Wix editor. So just wait for the editor to load. And then once it's loaded, it will look like this. Right now, we're going to click on add element. And then once you do that, you can go here to embed code. You're going to find popular embeds. And then here you're going to find embed HTML. Go ahead and click on this one. And then you can paste your code right here. Click on update. And then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.